After finishing your plan, it may not display everything that you wish to show. To make changes, tap on Get Images and then tap on the Settings cog in the bottom right-hand corner. This will open the basic settings menu, where you can show or hide the various text on your plan. This includes room names and room measurements, as well as the address and square area totals. You can also change your font or choose capitals. Once you are happy with your choices, tap Save and your plan will update with all of your changes.